how strong is your deep core muscles, and it's not just about sit up, okay, or just planking. So you can use a small Pilates ball like this. You can deflate it, all right? So if you don't have, you can also test it out and see whether you're comfortable with it. So I'm going to show you right now. So let's lie down on the mat. So we just imagine we're going to prepare for the bridge exercise. So slowly place this ball under your lower back, between your lower back and your tailbone. Find a position where you feel comfortable, where you're not rounding your back, neither are you arching your back. So you want to stay in a neutral position, relax. Okay, so from here, your palms down. So do engage your shoulder blades so you're not slouching, okay, in this position. You're not sinking into your shoulders. So from here, palms down, prepare. When you're ready, one knee up and the other knee up, knees and feet together. So you're going to draw your belly gently towards your spine. Again, reminder not to round your lower back, okay? Soften your thighs. So in this position, okay, you should feel quite comfortable. So if your core is weak, you'll find that the ball is moving a lot. Okay, so you just keep the palms down and just stay like this. And for those of you who are able to connect with your deep core muscles without tensing your legs, slowly bring one arm up, just one arm, and see how you feel. If you're moving a lot, so don't bring the other arm up. Okay, whenever you're ready, you're not squeezing your quads, your hip flexor, you can bring the other arm up, and observing that I'm not arching my back, neither am I rounding my lower back. Just stay in neutral position, relaxing and breathing, and you can just start like this, okay? Now, for those of you who are comfortable, you're able to do this quite effortlessly, you can then move on to try the single leg stretch in this position and staying very mindful, paying attention to your breath. So you're connecting deeply to your deep core muscles and keeping the ball quiet, but you're not stiffening up your muscles, all right? So you're not holding like this, okay? You are just very quiet, deep down inside, engaging with deep core muscles. So this is one variation that we're going to try today, the single leg stretch, okay, with the palms, okay, away from the mat. Hands free, I call it hands free. So to come down, so slowly place your palms down. Separate your knees gently, hip distance apart. Lower one foot down, lower the other foot down. Slowly, gently lift your hips up and glide the ball out. And to just counter stretch, you can bring your knees towards your chest. Roll your head sideways, release any tension, and slowly roll to the side and come up to a sitting position. So I hope that you find that it's useful, because I would like you to be able to practice at home with simple props so Pilates become accessible to you. Most importantly, we want to engage and strengthen our deep core muscles to prevent any chronic pain. So I'd like to suggest that you can watch this video for a longer tutorial. Have a great day.